How to remove a chat from chat log. If any day you are a WhatsApp user and you have put a chat on the chat log but you would like to remove the chat from chat log but you do not know how to do that, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to launch the very WhatsApp application on your mobile device. You can find the very WhatsApp application by scrolling left or right or by searching it on your very mobile device. After you find the very WhatsApp application, you have to tap on that. After that, you can just scroll upwards like this and then you can see the option of the lock chats. So after you scroll upward like this for a while, you can see the option of lock chats. You have to tap on that. Now in order to unlock it, you have to keep on your very fingerprint and scan your fingerprint. If any of the fingerprint does not match, it does not open. But however, if it matches, you can see that the option of the lock chats open. Now you have to tap on your lock chat like this and then you have to tap on the option like this. After that, you can see an interface like this. Now here, when your chat log is enabled, you have to disable this by tapping like this, and again you need to scan your fingerprint. For here you can scan your fingerprint from any of the option and how you can do it, and after that your very chat is unlocked. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.